There's something undeniably satisfying about a nighttime ritual that actually works. The kind that makes you look forward to winding down and waking up to better skin. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty backed by science and results. Today, I'm talking about a full PM powerhouse, the RoC Retinol PM Rituals Bundle, which includes the Retinol Night Serum Capsules, Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, and RoC Eye Cream. This trio claims to target wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and overall skin texture, so I put it to the test to see if it really delivers that overnight transformation it promises. Now, RoC has long been recognized for pioneering retinol-based skincare, and this bundle brings together 3 of their top formulas for a complete nighttime regimen. The star ingredient across the board is, of course, pure retinol, which is clinically proven to boost cell turnover and stimulate collagen production. The night serum capsules are particularly interesting. They're individually sealed to keep the retinol potent and fresh. Each capsule also contains a bio-derived antioxidant that's twice as effective as vitamin E, helping to reduce oxidative stress while smoothing and hydrating the skin. The Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, on the other hand, combines retinol with RoC's exclusive mineral complex to help reduce the appearance of deep-set wrinkles and improve firmness. And finally, the eye cream targets 3 common eye area concerns: puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles, using a gentle retinol blend designed specifically for the delicate skin around the eyes. In real-world testing, I used the full ritual nightly for several weeks, applying the serum capsule first, followed by the eye cream, and finishing with the night cream. The capsules are lightweight and absorb quickly. They leave a silky finish without that greasy residue some serums have. I did notice that the skin looks slightly smoother by the next morning, especially around the cheeks and forehead. The eye cream felt soothing and non-irritating, which is a big win for a retinol formula, as many can cause sensitivity. After a week, I could see improved hydration and a subtle brightness under the eyes. As for the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, the texture is rich but not heavy, and it layers well over the serum without pilling. Over time, I noticed my skin texture looked more refined and felt firmer to the touch, particularly around the jawline and nasolabial folds. Of course, retinol isn't without its adjustment period. If you're new to it, start slow, every other night at first, to avoid dryness or flaking. But I found this trio surprisingly gentle, especially for formulas that contain pure retinol. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss future deep dive reviews here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep creating honest, expert-backed insights like this one. Let's talk pros and cons. The pros. The products deliver visible results with continued use. The serum capsules ensure optimal potency and hygiene, and the formulations feel high quality and dermatologist grade. I also love that everything is fragrance-free, perfect for sensitive skin. The cons? It's not the cheapest bundle, and the serum capsules, while elegant, can feel a bit wasteful if you're environmentally conscious. Also, if your skin is extremely dry, you may want to layer an extra moisturizer on top during the first few weeks of use. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's justified. You're getting 3 clinically tested retinol products that perform like professional-grade skincare without crossing into luxury pricing territory. When compared to other anti-aging systems like Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair or SkinCeuticals' Retinol range, RoC offers comparable performance at a fraction of the cost, especially given its proven clinical results. As for build quality and longevity, the packaging feels sturdy and practical. The capsules maintain potency far better than traditional pump bottles, and the creams have a solid shelf life when stored properly. I didn't have to contact customer support, but RoC has a strong reputation for responsive and reliable service, particularly with product-related questions or replacement requests. In terms of alternatives, if this bundle is a little beyond your budget, you could try the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 line, which offers a gentler, more affordable retinol experience, though the results tend to be slower and less dramatic. So the final verdict: the RoC Retinol PM Rituals Bundle lives up to its claims for those who want a visible, science-backed transformation in their nighttime skincare routine. It's ideal for anyone starting to see the signs of aging or looking to upgrade their current PM routine with a clinically effective system. It's not a beginner's kit for total retinol newbies, but it's gentle enough for most skin types with a gradual introduction. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used any of these RoC products, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know how they worked for you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.